Hey there guys, what is up YouTube? And today we're back with another Board Game Island video. This time we're playing as Manny, Rivera, and Rusty Rivets, along with Barbara and Nick, who appears to be a friend of Oscar, also from Wii Sports. And Oscar is from Advanced Difficulty, which I'll do next. I know, it's been a long time since I climbed up the computer ladder in Board Game Island. So yeah, let's go, go, go! Ooh, I almost forgot about Rusty being put on computers. Dun dun dun! Hello, welcome to Board Game Island. Would you like to hear how this game is played? No. So good luck calling that challenge. Round 1. Play for precision. Each round of competitive minigame will determine the order of play and the winner of each bonus die. Okay, smile snap. Snap a photo of as many smiles as you can. You only get one shot at those, so wait for the right moment. Press A to snap your photo. Each me will only smile when looking toward the camera. Hey, Bethany's here already? Oh. She obviously looks like a female version of Lois Robinson if you look closely. Woo! Just won this game, so. The players who finish the tie will decide their position with a roll. And it looks like Rusty lost this game, so. Alrighty then, the results are in. This round, the order of play will be Manny, Nick, Barbara, Rusty. So Manny got first place and won a gold bonus die with numbers 1 to 6. Okay, Nick, you're up. More likely Nicky, Ricky, Dicky, and Dawn. That's who Michael Bryce killed in the last video on GameTime 123's channel, if you didn't know. Okay, now, Barbara! You're up for the challenge. Challenge time! Okay, Rusty. You, my friend, are now up. Round 2. Play for position. Okay, so, yeah. Grab the figures to score points. Pinks are worth 1 gold. For free and leaves are -3. Point the Wii remote at a sucker and press A to grab it. Be precise or he'll flutter away. Yeah. Look at them gold. Okay, now before we hit A, let's wait for gold to come up on the screen. Gold. 3, 2, 1. Let's rock and roll. Look at me racking up the scores. Stakes are high and finish. Oh yeah. Players who finish the tie will decide their position for the roll again. Oh, here are the results. I feel bad for you, Oscar. Oh, Manny, you're up for the challenge. 7. It's challenge time, dude. What are you waiting for? Oh, Rusty. Challenge time. didn't know, guys, I watched an episode of Action while listening to the trailer from the Transport Free teaser trailer, i.e. I Wanna Be Your Dog from the Stooges, and ooh, surprise time! Ooh! This is going to be an illusion of a surprise. You're now in my hands, Manny. I mean, Barbara! Keep saying names wrong, so... Oh no! Ah! Sorry, Nick. Round 3 and... Play for position. There's a sprint to the finish, but where did all this sheep come from? Oh well, the race must go on. Hold the wheel remote sideways and use the D-pad to move. 3, 2, 1, go! This place is not amazing. There's some stupid old sheep in our way. Stupid? What do you mean, stupid? Ah, yes, Rusty, you win. Sorry, Nick. You know what? Nicky, he stole your name from Nicky, Ricky, Dicky, and Dawn. When I land on one question one space, I'm going to destroy you. Oh yeah, challenge time. So he'll need to roll a 4, 5, or 6 to his hand. Good luck. Check mark. Bam, 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 bam. Down to the ground. Ha ha. Woo, yeah, Rusty. Manny. Manny, Manny, Manny. Gray. Boom. Yeah. Whoop, whoop. Barbara. 3 + 1 = 4, and that's where you're going through a bridge. Nick. Just in the nick of time for round 4. Place your position. And the minigame is moon landing. Avoid the asteroids and race to land on the moon first. Look at that view. Hold the wheel remote sideways and tilt it left or right to control your descent. Dun, dun, dun. Ah! All this unruly violence makes you want to get your ass on the screen. And Nick, you won again? Oh no, not Nick, not Rusty. You lost again. Okay, Nick. Oh, stone statue throwing Nick ahead? Not me! Oh. Oh, hell no. Maybe the stone statue should throw me back. Oh, Manny. You're in 3rd place, so you got the double. I say. Boom. 7 spaces. Oh no! Ah! Oh no, I just fell into the volcano. Well, Manny, I feel bad for you. Still, it's now up to Rusty. Which the stone statue will throw him ahead. Yes! Come on! Yippee! I'm the best! Woo! Round 5 and play for position. Okay, stop your clock. Time shown at the top. Your clock will be hidden after a few seconds, so try to keep count. Press A to stop your clock. Okay, so we are aiming for 8 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Finish! Would you see the score? I won! Sorry, Barbara. I'm afraid you lost this game. Oh, yeah. Manny. You're up. You're up. So, double? Double, anyone? Whoa! 13 spaces? More likely 13 ghosts, which that's coming out on Netflix on Monday. Yes! Haha! Way to go, Manny! Rusty. Oh no, this volcano looks like a treacherous place. Yep, I agree on that. Nick. Double. Double. Yeah. Challenge time. It's time for a challenge. So, like, we got out of the treacherous volcano of death, or doom, or whatever I should call it. Barbarous, huh? You're up. So starting in 2022, I'll be doing gameplay videos of Trivial Pursuit for the Nintendo Wii from Electronic Arts, which is a game I got from the antique store a few weeks back. Oh, and now it's time for round 6. So grab the rope, swing back and forth to build up your momentum, and let go to swing as far as you can. Swing the Wii remote back and forth to build up your momentum, and press the A button to let go of the rope and slide! Yep! Yippee! Go! Hup, 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 hup. Come on, Manny, show the other guy what you got. Woo, 90. 90. You score, but who gives? Oh, 61. And 90 is also the number of Paunchy Wipeout. Cars 1 and Cars 3, the bumper stage racer. Whoa! You just got stoked. Oh yeah, Manny's in 3rd place. Go Manny, go Manny, go Manny, go Manny, and Barbara. 7 spaces? Wow. This volcano seems very treacherous. But who will want to be a murder place? Oh, if we don't roll a 5 and 6, spike balls hang our way. Oh, that was easy to get through. Bam! The spike ball broke, so now anyone can hang. All leading up to Manny to win this game. Oh, I hope. Let's see. Game time 120. We'll be watching the pet show tomorrow night. I'm going to go with this. Yes! Lucky Manny. Boom! Well done, sir. I'm happy to say You're almost catching up to Rusty. You're almost catching up to Nick. Round 7, not just hard to finish. From now on, the player starting from the top will choose the main game. Don't get up. And the player in 4th place will pick the next game, and that's Barbara. You're going to face off at Dicey Descent. Choose left or right and cross your fingers. If you're unlucky, you'll get zapped. 2 zaps and it's game over. Hold the wheel remote sideways and use the D-pad to move to the left or right side. Boom! Go! Pick a side. Oh, Nick, are you okay? Yeah. Okay. It's decision time. Time to go to which side we want to go on. And if we are lucky, we're dead. Down to the ground. Ah! Bow! Nick, you're dead. You're dead, Nicky. You're dead, Oscar. Her stupid old friend. No! Ow! Finish. Good thing he wears a lightning bolt on. Good thing Rusty wears a lightning bolt on his shirt. Not a cherry bomb, I presume. A cherry bomb full of blood. Oh! If you roll a pterodactyl, you'll move ahead, but if you roll a tyrannosaurus, you'll move back. Oh, pterodactyl time. Yes! Woo! Ah, Manny. You're now up for the challenge, so what do you say, Rusty? Almost catching up behind him. Oh, Nick. Ah, round 8. Play for the position. So Barbara will pick the next game. She's in 4th place. So flag practice it is. It's a mad dash to the flag. Grab it first to win, but be careful not to jump the gun. Do it twice and it's a DQ, which stands for Dairy Queen and disqualified. Wait for the signal, then shake the wheel out to run. Press A to do a diving grab for the flag. Do 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 do. Are you ready? Go! Whee! This place is amazing! Finished! And what do we have here? A winner, I presume. And the winner is Manny Rivera. Ah, Manny. Manny, 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 Manny. Well, he came back. Shot to him. Oh, surprise time! No! Rusty.
Get dressed!
I'm already dressed.
You might want to get pants on, sir. It's wet and cold.
Yeah, I know. Sorry for interrupting. Sorry for brother interrupting my gameplay, so. Ow!
He's dead now. He can't talk. I just executed him. For being a criminal.
No! Barbara! Anyway, sorry for brother interrupting my gameplay session, but Ooh, round 9, and Barbara in 4th place. Oh, you're going to think I'll get quicker, Chipper. Chipper, play golf balls into the cup if you can before time runs out. Hold the wheel down and tilt it upward to raise the white line. Then when it hits the colored line. Colored line. Colored line. Colored line. Start! Oh, it barely just got in. Anyway, bam. Finished, and whoop, looky there. Manny, the winner. Manny, I'd like to see you win this game once and for all. Oh, 1 versus 1 minigame. Okay. So, who will we battle? Oh, Nick? Yeah, I think so, because he stole the name from Nicky, Ricky, Dicky, and Dawn. So let's see. Pilot your plane into the balloon to pop them. Pink ones are worth 1 point, gold ones are worth 3. Hold the remote sideways to slide, tilt backward to go up, forward to go down, and left or right to turn. And look at us. We're the next big Amelia Earhart. 3, 2, 1, fly! 4 for the sky. In an Amelia Earhart plane. Amelia. Or should I say, Amelia Rivera. Amelia Manny Rivera. You're the next big Amelia Earhart, aren't you, Manny? And finish. Whee! And victory. Manny was victorious and will move ahead 7 spaces. Nick will move back 7 spaces. Haha! Way to see that face. No! Oh. Sorry, Nick. You just got blown back 7 spaces. After being me in that balloon playing game called Poppin' Pilot. Final challenge. If you roll 6 or higher, the gate will open and you'll reach the finish. Oh, 6 spaces. So what does this mean? Rusty wins? Yeah! Woo, Rusty! We have a winner! It is Rusty. Congratulations, young sir. Okay, so before we end this video, I would like to say I will be doing Trivial Pursuit videos next year. Or in 2022. I know all you guys that coronavirus is on the rise, but we're trying to stay safe and strong if we can. And also, I will be doing Trivial Pursuit videos. So, in March 2020. On the day the 355 is released from Universal Pictures, which is January 7th, 2022. So yeah, guys. Anyways, I hope you to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and you on the advanced difficulty level on Board Game Island. Oh, and not to mention the Trivial Pursuit video starting in 2022. Anyway, this is Marshall DeLong, The Legend of Zelda Skyward Sword fan 2021, signing off for now.